My venture into print-on-demand began during a financially challenging period, and over the past few years, I've successfully generated well over $1 million, yielding multiple six figures in profit. While my journey hasn't been devoid of challenges, the lessons learned along the way could be beneficial for those contemplating the initiation of their online business. In this presentation, I share 9 invaluable tips that propelled me from ground zero to the verge of a multiple seven-figure enterprise. By incorporating these tips early in your venture, I assure you an improved likelihood of success in realizing your aspirations. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. Tip 1. Building and sustaining momentum. Without further ado, let's delve into tip number 1, which revolves around building and maintaining momentum. At the onset of my journey, I spent months consuming instructional videos, feeling a sense of progress through learning. However, those were months that could have been dedicated to business growth. The obstacle wasn't a lack of time, money, or information. Rather, it was the absence of momentum. Momentum simplifies challenging aspects, transforming them into more manageable tasks. Despite the myriad of questions and concerns holding you back, commencing movement in the right direction is imperative. The initial steps involve creating a business plan, dealing with logo design, and addressing other meticulous tasks. In a seemingly simple yet effective approach, kickstarting momentum can be achieved by signing up for various accounts. This takes less than an hour and is a one-time effort. The process involves creating a new Gmail account and using it to register for associated accounts. Links for each registration are conveniently provided below for easy navigation. While these may be considered baby steps, their cumulative effect can build enough momentum to propel you toward substantial achievements. Tip 2. Efficient use of resources. Now, this piece of advice might be unsettling for some, especially in the early stages. Repurposing your designs, while a potentially lucrative strategy, can be a substantial waste of time. The initial designs and products you create may not be optimal for various items like t-shirts, hoodies, sweatshirts, and mugs. Uploading these designs to multiple products could be counterproductive, resulting in unnecessary expenses for listings. While it's advisable to showcase your designs, a more strategic approach involves selecting one specific product to focus on. This approach, which I successfully employed at the beginning, entails choosing a product and persistently experimenting with it. My method involved navigating the bestsellers page on platforms like Printify and concentrating solely on one product until reaching a monthly revenue of around $10,000. Achieving this milestone indicates that your designs possess market appeal. Subsequently, you can leverage these successful designs as exemplified by the clever strategy employed by the shop Odds Shirts. This particular shop, having earned approximately $2.8 million from apparel sales, strategically repurposes its best designs onto mugs in a second shop. This inventive approach has propelled their earnings from $2.88 million to an impressive $3.68 million. Whether you're operating on eBay, Etsy, or Shopify, the key is to commence with a singular product, dedicating your efforts until reaching the $10,000 monthly mark before contemplating the expansion and repurposing of designs onto various products. Tip 3. Streamlining options for success. An essential factor in expediting success is streamlining options for customers. Although the allure of offering a myriad of color choices is understandable, it often results in decision fatigue for customers rather than increased sales. Instead of enhancing customer excitement with a wide array of color options, this often leads to choice overload. The preferable scenario is guiding customers toward a specific choice. Posting numerous shades of a single color, like 4 shades of blue, can overwhelm customers, making it challenging for them to select their preferred option. Consequently, customers may defer their decisions, intending to return later, only to never follow through. Beyond customer choice overload, print providers offering an extensive color palette face difficulties in maintaining sufficient stock levels. If a color is out of stock and an order is placed, it either gets redirected to another print facility with the item in stock or necessitates contacting the customer to discuss alternative color options. Both situations are far from optimal. The remedy to this predicament is simple. Limit the color options to fewer than 12. By offering a more focused selection, your listings become more appealing to potential buyers. Tip 4. Optimal selection of colors. When deciding on colors for your products, a strategic approach is vital for successful sales. To simplify this process, start by selecting the print provider you wish to work with. The profitability you derive and the satisfaction of your customers hinge on choosing the right print provider. In the realm of print on demand, companies like Printify facilitate your operations by offering white label products. You can choose a product, such as the one showcased, and apply a design, whether text, image, or AI generated, before listing it for sale in your storefront with an appealing mock-up on Printify. The pivotal decision arises when you choose the product you wish to sell, as you are presented with numerous print provider options. Printify, being an intermediary, does not handle the printing and shipping of items. Instead, it connects you with various print providers, each offering distinct prices, colors, sizes, and operational methodologies. It is essential to recognize that not all print providers are equal. Factors such as quality control, average production time, and stock reliability vary significantly. For instance, while the Dream Junction may appear slightly more expensive on paper, during the holiday season, you might encounter challenges such as poor stock reliability and production times exceeding 7 days. On the contrary, Mobster Digital maintains a consistently swift 1 to 3 day production time throughout the year, coupled with reliable inventory for selling apparel. Drawing from my experience through 3 holiday seasons, I can attest to the efficacy of relying solely on Mobster Digital. This strategic choice not only simplifies decision-making, but also limits size and color options, making it more manageable to determine when to initiate sales. For those involved in different products or operating in diverse regions, additional recommendations are provided below. Alternatively, consulting with a Printify specialist by clicking on Snappy in the bottom left corner of a Printify page can offer tailored advice. Further, for those curious about alternative print-on-demand companies, a comprehensive quality and cost comparison video has been created, with Printify being my exclusive choice for reasons outlined in that video. Tip 5. Contextual relevance in storefronts. Everything discussed thus far becomes inconsequential if a fundamental aspect is overlooked: storefront context. Your product listings must align with the specific storefront on which they are posted. Navigating platforms such as eBay and Etsy reveals a stark difference in the presentation of funny t-shirts. A discerning eye can identify that successful Etsy shops feature images that breathe life into designs, creating an impression of handcrafted quality. In contrast, eBay shoppers exhibit less concern for such details. This observation underscores the importance of tailoring your approach to fit the nuances of each platform. While there is no definitive right or wrong approach across different platforms, aligning your designs with the aesthetics of the storefront enhances the likelihood of generating maximum sales. The second crucial factor is traffic generation. 2 primary methods are organic SEO, involving content creation, and paid traffic through ads. The chosen method influences your budget and alters the number of designs required for each interest to thrive. Organic SEO demands a substantial volume of designs per interest, such as 25 fishing shirts or 25 skydiving shirts. This cost-effective approach is detailed in my design tutorial, enabling the targeting of 40 different interest groups with 25 designs each for a mere $200. Alternatively, if you opt for paid ads, a more discerning selection of designs per interest group is advised. This presents the promotion of both good and bad listings, allowing organic search to filter them effectively. Distinguishing between successful and less successful designs is critical before investing in ads. This can be achieved by either purchasing designs or using the organic method and subsequently running ads exclusively for products that demonstrate selling potential. While the organic strategy is slower, it mitigates losses on ad spending, enabling you to refine your design skills gradually. As the initial set of 1,000 products is posted, some will inevitably start selling, gradually recuperating the investment. The breakthrough occurs when certain designs consistently achieve sales. At this juncture, these successful designs can be leveraged to establish a Shopify store. With existing designs proven to sell, along with knowledge of the previous customers for those products, running ads to a Shopify store becomes a viable option. Additionally, utilizing previous customer data for targeted ads to individuals with similar interests enhances the cost-effectiveness and safety of scaling your business. This method stands out as the most economical and secure approach to business expansion. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you loved the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We would love to hear what you have to say. Now let's get back to the video. Tip 6. Strategic credit card use. When considering credit cards, it's crucial to tread carefully as credit card debt can swiftly become a financial burden. While I don't endorse hasty credit card decisions, the PayPal credit card stands out if approached cautiously. Utilizing this card with platforms like Printify offers a 3% cashback on expenditures. Personally, I found it superior to other cards like Amex and Sapphire as it provides straightforward cashback without complex reward structures. With careful spending, the PayPal credit card yields significant tax-free cashback, offering a valuable financial boost. Tip 7. Harnessing the power of email lists. Building an email list emerges as a powerful yet often overlooked strategy. The potential for an additional monthly income of $5,000 to $10,000 is substantial. Beyond immediate profit, cultivating an email list facilitates a smoother transition from platforms like eBay or Etsy to more independent platforms like Shopify. Recognizing the long-term benefits, I recently incorporated this strategy into my approach. Platforms like Aweber make email list management accessible, enabling you to capitalize on a potentially high return on investment for email marketing. Tip 8. AI generation for efficiency. In the evolving landscape of business, leveraging artificial intelligence or AI becomes imperative. AI tools are emerging across various domains, not just in design creation. Addressing concerns about AI compromising artistic integrity, new tools allow creators to control whether their art is used by AI. Beyond design, AI has the potential to significantly enhance productivity in various business aspects. As technology advances, exploring AI tools tailored to your specific needs can result in a tenfold increase in output. Tip 9. Embracing the learning curve. While the final tip delves into a crucial aspect often resisted, the learning curve of entrepreneurship. Drawing parallels to a job where pay raises follow skill acquisition, initiating a business requires a similar mindset. Launching a business is akin to a job, but with the additional step of investing time to learn and work without immediate pay. Understanding that you'll initially be compensated only for the skills you possess is pivotal. This perspective guided my approach when I aimed to emulate successful shops. I committed to posting 4,000 listings before scrutinizing my progress or income. This approach allowed me to acquire fundamental skills before expecting financial returns. Embracing the simplicity, low risk, and gradual nature of the process is essential, recognizing that implementation is the differentiator in achieving success. If you love this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video.